welcome back to my channel. So I know I get a lot of comments about my hair and yada yada yada, just compliments. That's pretty much what they are, right? I get a lot of compliments about my hair, even in real life. At school, you know, feels nice, it goes oof, like it goes big. And I'm pretty much the only person at my school who wears my hair like this, because there's not a lot of people at my school with like naturally curly hair that turns into like an afro. I don't know what this is. What would you call this? Anyway, I'm recording the intro right now because at this current moment I do not need to wash my hair. I just washed it actually 2 days ago, and it's still looking pretty good. I didn't even refresh it or anything. And today we are gonna do a curly hair routine. Now, I don't have a curly hair routine that I do every single time that's the same. I always switch it up to find out what gives me the best outcome. But I did something new in the most recent curly routine that I did 2 days ago. And this happened. This happened. Get a little close up, like this happened. Yeah. I'm finally showing you guys what I do with my hair, because I feel like maybe a lot of people wonder or they want a curl. I don't know if anybody has ever asked for this. I'm sorry if I missed a comment like that, but you're getting it now. Okay, thank you. Love you, and you'll see me doing my hair now. Okay, hello guys. I just took my hair out of a bun. This is what it's looking like at the moment. Yes, it's very different from the last time you saw me. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really remember the products I used last time, but like I only know like one of them really. But anyway, before I wash my hair, I want to tell you guys what I do, because I'm not gonna show you guys me washing my hair. Anyway, I shampoo, condition, and leave the conditioner in there for like 5 minutes, and then I wash it out. But I do not wash out all the conditioner, okay? I leave a little bit of it in there to help with my hair, okay? And yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you before I get in the shower, because honestly I think leaving in the conditioner a little bit longer does affect the way how my hair turns out when it comes to doing my curly hair routine. And my curly hair routine is not always going to turn out the same. My hair is always not going to look the same, because that's just how curly hair is. Like, it's never going to look the same every time I do my curly hair routine, but like that's okay. Anyway, I'll be back guys after I finish washing my hair, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, I'm back. As you can see here, now we are ready to do the curly hair routine. Okay, anyway, I basically picked out the products that I think I used last time. I only remember one of them that I used. This is the styling product. This is the one that I used, Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, okay? And whenever I wash my hair, I always use a leave-in conditioner before I put anything else in my hair. I always put that in, and I haven't put that in yet. And so this is what I'm using. Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. This is the coconut oil one. And the last product that I have here is gel, and it's Eco Styling Gel, the argan oil one. That's the last thing that I put in my hair, just to add some more definition, a little bit of hold in it. Okay, anyway, we are gonna get started. Okay, so first thing I did, well, this is what I remember what I did last time. First thing I did was just literally like split my hair in two. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, my hair is in two now, as you can see. Okay, so the second thing that I do is re-wet my hair, okay? Like, I already detangled my hair in the shower, so I don't need to do any detangling. So I take a section of my hair. Honestly, it doesn't matter how big this section is for me. I'd be taking big, small, like all different kinds of sizes. Re-wet my hair. No spray bottle, you already know good. Then I take a brush, the Denman brush, and brush through it, you feel me? Just so we can get a little bit of more curl definition there. Okay, and then honestly, I should have applied this first, but like it doesn't matter. I just do things out of the order sometimes. Like, nope, nothing is the same, buddy. But then I spray the leave-in conditioner in my hair and just rake that through. Okay, and then after that is done, we apply the curling product. Now, I do not take a lot of this, especially since this is such a small section, because I noticed that if I use too much of this, like my hair is gonna get crunchy, like because you put too much in it, and I didn't need that much, but like, you know, it happens. Okay, and then I take some of that, rake it through my hair. Okay, last thing, we take some of the gel. Like, this is how much I took. You honestly don't need a lot. I just rub it in my hands like this, and then I rake it through once again. I've literally just raked through all the products to make sure that, you know, I'm getting each strand of my hair. And then I just do this at the end to get the top of it. I'm not really good at explaining things, as you can tell, but then yeah, I just literally repeat those steps. So this is just one part of my hair that has been done. Okay, now we are gonna speed this up. Another thing that I do is that if I think some of the pieces are a bit too frizzy, I finger coil them just a bit to help with the definition and whatnot. I don't know, this is just what I do. I don't know if this is not gonna be the same for everybody. Everybody doing something different. My hair is not gonna be the same as yours. Yours is not gonna be the same as mine. And this is just what works for me. Now, usually my hair, like, it literally falls down like in a straight middle part, and I hate when it does that, but honestly I just let it do it at once, because at the end of the day I can't really change it. Since this is a YouTube video, I'm gonna diffuse it so you guys can find out what it looks like at the end.
We are going to diffuse.
Okay, for me, diffusing, I usually use heat, but on low. I never put it on high, because why would I do that? Anyway, I alternate between cool and warm, basically. So I first I start off cool, and then I go to warm, and then cool, and then warm, and yeah, you will see. After I diffuse most of my hair, but like my scalp, you know, the roots are still wet, I take off the diffuser and just blow dry my hair, and I alternate the same. Okay, so after I am done blow drying my hair, I usually stop when it's like 95% done or just 90% done. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I think this one is a lot more defined than the last one I did, but yeah, keep in mind this is not fully dried, but when my hair is fully dried, I use some type of oil in it. Like, it could be coconut oil, any type of oil that you like, olive oil, like whatever oil you want, basically just to add some shine to it and moisture to make sure it's not dry. But I usually focus on the ends when I apply the oil, and a little bit on the top. And then after I do that, if I feel like my hair is too flat or there's not enough volume in it, I pick out some of the curls that are clumped together, and then I pull them apart, and I kind of just like use my hands to fluff my hair. But you could use a pick if you want to. Usually I used to do that, but like now I don't do it as more because I'm too lazy to be doing all that. But like, yeah. Okay, I'll insert a video clip where it has been fully dried, or maybe a picture for you guys here. Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next week. And yeah.